Hello, my slot-loving friends out there. Have I got something different for you this week as we're taking a look at the Rubik's Cube online slot from our friends at Playtech. The world's most iconic puzzle game comes to life in this 5-reel, 25 payline slot that features wilds and scatters, plus a bonus round as players spin to solve the cube. You can learn more about the Rubik's Cube online slot and hundreds of other games when you visit the full review at online.casinocity.com. Once you're on the site, you'll also have access to bonus and special offer information. So follow the direct link that I've left for you below this video in the descriptive area.